What is up, guys? Welcome to another video. I got something cool to show y'all. I think I mentioned it in the last video, or maybe the one before it, that I was getting something new to pertaining to filming. So let's check this out. So y'all know that I got the DJI Mini 2 and I've been loving it, and it got me so crunk that I was like, I've got to have another drone. And then my wife surprised me with this one. So I'd been talking about this one a lot to her and showing her some videos how neat it was, but I'll get into more about what it does in a second. But this right here is the Skydio 2. It's a drone. It's made in America. So let's go ahead and open this thing up. Check this bad boy out. Alright, so there she is. Here's the drone itself. It's a lot bigger than the Mini 2. It's a lot bigger drone than I've ever flown. Actually, the only drone I've ever flown was the Mini 2. It was my first drone to ever fly. So this drone has 6 cameras on it. There's one right there, one right there, one right there, and then they got 3 more on the bottom. And of course, the 7th one is the actual drone camera. But what these sensors are for is for like avoiding stuff. So the cool thing about this drone, if you've ever seen them or looked them up, they like will follow you. You can drive this drone or fly it with the remote. Got right here. And then this beacon, you can also carry this beacon on you. All you gotta do is hit, I'm guessing, take off and fly, and it will follow you. So all you gotta do is have this beacon in your pocket, and the drone just automatically follows you, and it keeps up with you up to like, I think it's like 32 miles per hour. But I'm not gonna get into a lot of crazy details. I'm actually gonna start another YouTube channel for this kind of stuff, reviewing like drones and posting videos of videos I've done with my drones, like tech stuff like gaming, VR, all that kind of stuff. Cameras, I like cameras too. But yeah, I'm gonna start a new channel. It's just gonna be called Brandon Jordan for right now until I come up with a name. But I'll post more details on this on that page here soon. But for now, we're just gonna fly it with the controller today. But yeah, y'all go check out that page. Go ahead and subscribe. I'll be uploading a video to it in the next day or two, hopefully. But yeah, let's get into this. So here's the drone. So you're wondering how the battery goes on there. Now I think that's pretty neat how the battery goes. Let me swap my GoPro over to my head so I can have both hands, and we'll continue on. Alright, so I hope y'all are on view good, because couldn't connect it to my phone right now. But the battery is so sweet how it connects on there. There's no clips or anything. It just automatically magnetized on there. So hopefully hopefully that battery stays on there. So you gotta remove this little deal before you fly it. Now this is gonna be the first time I've flown this thing. I haven't even started it up. I just started it up last night to update it, and I didn't get to fly it in time because it done got dark, and I was like, I don't really want to fly it for my first time at dark. So let me get all my stuff set up, and we'll take this thing on a flight and see how it does. Okay, I think I got it ready to take off. Pay no attention to my shaky fingers because I'm a little nervous. Alright, we're gonna hit launch. Hold it down. Okay, that thing is loud. Alright, so what I'll do, I'll go ahead and swap y'all over to the drone camera, and we'll take off. Okay, so it's saying height limited with poor GPS, so I probably didn't give it time to get the GPS going good. My DJI also does that. Alright, so I changed the height on it because it was still set at like a few feet. So let's try now and take off. See what happens. Oh yeah, she's gone. That thing is so loud. It is currently 300 feet in the air and I can still hear it. So it's definitely not a quiet drone. I'm not sure what the controllers do. We're gonna try, let's see, I think this tilts down. Little car driving by. And this other one says it zooms in, but it's just making it go forward, so I don't know what the deal is with that. Maybe something in the settings. And apparently I read on the internet that this top right button is a little full power button. It don't seem that much difference. So I gotta play around with the settings. I had to do this with a DJI too, to do a few different things. But this thing's gonna be pretty cool. So let's come back. And we'll see if this thing can't track us on the Honda. Because that's what we bought it for. Okay. Alright, so first little flight was pretty simple. I'll definitely have to play with it some more and get y'all some cooler stuff. But now let's see what it does with what we bought it for, because as a YouTuber, it's hard to get your buddies to always be at every video you do, especially being an adult, having a job and stuff. So pretty much what my wife bought me this for was to make it a little bit easier on me to get some cool video when I'm like by myself. So we're gonna try to connect this little beacon. I'm gonna throw it in my pocket and we're gonna hopefully, this thing's gonna hopefully follow me. I don't know. It seems crazy, but we'll see. Let's get this set up. Alright, so I think we're about ready. Ready to fly. Fly now. How do I do it? Starting drone. So this thing's about to take off, and all I have is this remote. This is sketchy. Alright, hold to fly. Flying in 3, 2, 1. Oh Lord. Okay. It says pause, select for motion track. So we're gonna look at what they get. We're just gonna hit that for now. So it is tearing out. Alright, we're just gonna keep it behind us. Okay dude, here we go. This is kinda sketchy. So let's take off, see what happens. Oh my gosh. That is crazy. Okay. This thing is wild. I cannot wait to look back at the video and see what it looks like. Alright, so we're gonna change it to stay in front of me. So it should stay in front. Don't know how that works, but we're gonna find out. That is wild. Oh my gosh. So let's turn around and go back and see what happens. This time, let's go a little bit faster. That is crazy. It's just like avoiding the power lines and everything. That's insane. Alright, let's try. We're gonna try close up. See what that does. Let's go to the right of me. It's like my own personal little filming helicopter. I don't know if you can tell, but I'm super crunk about this. That is crazy. Come over this way. We're gonna see if we can run into it. That is the most craziest thing I've ever seen. Alright, now nobody tells us how to land this thing. Should be freaking me out now. Alright, so apparently we're landing now. Right there. So okay, that's cool. Okay, so you just hit the little pause button on here. It makes it land wherever you're at. It don't take off back to home, so that's pretty neat. But man, that is that's the most craziest thing I've ever seen in my life. I can't get over that. That is crazy. This is gonna make the channel like so much more cooler when we're doing, you know, fast-paced riding or stuff like that, or riding with a group of people. You know, I can hand it to somebody like in the middle, and they can carry this remote and it'll just follow us as a group. I was doing it. There's this little plus and minus sign at makes it come in closer and then makes it come out further. I was doing close because I just wanted to see how good it would stay tracking me. But it did amazing. So if you want to see more on this thing, of course you're going to see more on this channel, you know, with us riding side by sides and stuff. But if you want to see some more cool things, I'm going to do that, and just some more reviews, because it's got so many different things you can do with it, and I got so many different things I can look at in here, but can't fit it all into one video. So be sure to check out my other channel. Like I said, I haven't posted a video on it yet, but I'm probably gonna make one here in the next day or two, so just be waiting for that. But it's gonna be called Brandon Jordan. It's a picture of like some red clay looking bluff style stuff, so you'll notice it. Yeah, this thing is going to be really sweet for the channel. I can't wait to share the fun of it with my friends and people that I ride with and stuff. It's going to be awesome. But like I said, I was so crunk when I got that first drone. I wanted this one. Well, I also got something else. But that'll be in the next video. It's another thing for recording that's going to make my life a lot easier. But I'll show that to y'all in the next video and kind of briefly introduce it to the LC Power Sports channel, but I'll review it and go over it on my other channel. But anyways, I'll see y'all guys later. I hope y'all have a wonderful day, and I'll see y'all in the next video.